Dear students, today we will discuss squares and its properties from the chapter Squares, Cubes and their roots. Now, do you know how to find the area of a square field? We know that to find area of a square, the formula is length into breadth. Let this square, which is having sides equal to 4 inches, then if we want to find its area, that is equal to 4 into 4 means 16 inches square. But these numbers means 4 and 4 will be same. To square a number means to multiply it by itself. 5 squared means 5 into 5 and that is equal to 25. There is a shorter way to write 5 into 5. We can write 5 into 5 as 5 square. Now evaluate 7 square. Will it be equal to 14 or 49? Answer is 49. Don't count it 14 because you are to write base 2 times and you will get answer 49. Don't multiply power with the base. Now the square numbers, which are also called perfect square, means a number that is the square of a whole number and they can be represented in the shape of a square, like 4 circles which are arranged in the shape of square, 9 circles are arranged in the shape of square, and same way 16 circles can also be arranged in the shape of a square. Now these are called perfect numbers. Why? Because 81 can be written as 9 into 9, 100 can be written as 10 into 10, 64 can be written as 8 into 8 and 25 as 5 into 5. Now let us discuss the properties of square numbers. Property 1. A number having 2, 3, 7 or 8 at units place is never a perfect square. Example, the numbers 152, 7693, 1437. You can see at unit place the digits are 2, 3, 7 and 8 and they are not perfect squares. Property 2. Squares of even numbers is always even and of odd number will always be odd. Example 10 square, which is 100 and we know that 10 and 100 both are even. 5 square is 25. 5 and 25 both are odd. Now the third property, if a square of a number will ends in 0, will also ends in 0 and if it will 5 also ends in 5. Example 5 square is 25 and 10 square is 100. Now property 4. The square of any odd number except 1 can be expressed as sum of two consecutive positive numbers. Example 3 square, which is equal to 9, can be written as 4 plus 5. 5 square, which is equal to 25, can be written as 12 plus 13. And now let us discuss property number 5. There are 2n non-perfect square numbers between the squares of any two consecutive numbers n and n plus 1. For example, between 1 square and 2 square, only two numbers 2 and 3 lies. Between 2 square and 3 square, 4 number lies which are equal to 2n. And now in property 6, without actually adding, we can find the sum of first n odd natural numbers and that is equal to n square. For example, the sum of first two odd number means 1 and 3 is 4 and 4 is equal to 2 square. The sum of first three odd numbers is equal to 1 plus 3 plus 5 means 9 and that can be written as 3 square. Next is sum of first four odd numbers 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 which is equal to 16 and can be written as 4 square. And in next module we will discuss how to find square numbers by different methods.